Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered the complete setup guide for Orange Pi 4a board. Okay, that how you can flash Ubuntu Jammy server Linux operating system to SD card, how you can configure the USB debugging to get access to the terminal of Orange Pi 4a board, how you can connect your Orange Pi 4a board with the Wi-Fi, and how you can get the SSH access of the Orange Pi 4a board. Now in this video, we will see how you can install Node-RED in your Orange Pi 4a board. So here you can see our Orange Pi 4a board is up and running fine and it is connected with my home network. So let's get the SSH access of this board and let's install the Node-RED inside this board. So I'm going to open the command prompt and then we will type SSH. We are going with the root user and here is the IP address 192.168.1.8 and the default password for the Orange Pi board is the Orange Pi. Okay, and here you can see we have successfully logged in to the terminal of Orange Pi 4a board. Now we want to install the Node-RED in the Orange Pi 4a board. So here is the command to install the Node-RED in the any Pi board. Okay, so I'm going to copy this command and then we will just paste it and then we will hit enter. So are you really want to install this? Yes. And the next question is, are you really sure you want to do this? Yes, we want to install the Node-RED. And would you like to install Pi specific node? Yes. And here you can see this can take 20 to 30 minutes on the slower Pi version. So we have to wait until all the steps gets done. And then after our board is equipped with the Node-RED, okay, which we can use it as IoT hub or IoT gateway. So let's wait till all the steps gets done. Okay, so Node-RED is successfully installed. Now we have to answer few questions. Okay, where you want to keep your settings.js file for the Node-RED. So I'm going to use the same location. So we will press enter. Do you want to set up user security? As of now, no. And then do you want to enable the project feature? No. Enter a name for your flows file. So I'm going to leave it as it is. And again, we will leave it as it is. We'll select the default. Again, we'll select the default. Allow function node to load external module. Yes, we want to do that. And that's it. So entire process is done. Node-RED is successfully installed. JavaScript is successfully installed. Now you can use Node-RED and JavaScript both in your Orange Pi 4a board. Okay. Now let's run the Node-RED. So to run the Node-RED, you have to use the command node-red and Node-RED will start. Okay, so here you can see server now running at 127.0.0.1:1880. So right now the Node-RED is running on the local host of our Orange Pi 4a, but instead of localhost IP address, we can use the IP address of our Orange Pi 4a. So I'm going to open the new private window and we will type the IP address 192.168.1.8:1880. And here you can see we have the access of Node-RED which is running inside our Orange Pi 4a boards. Okay, we can close it and that's it. Okay, and here is our Node-RED editor. Now you can build your IoT and IIoT application in the Node-RED and you can use your Orange Pi 4a board for that application. So I hope that's clear that how you can install Node-RED in the Orange Pi 4a board. Also, you can check this video that how to install Node-RED in Orange Pi 03 board, in which we have covered few extra things, okay, to monitor Orange Pi board system performance, okay, like memory usage, CPU usage, system temperature, and everything. Okay, so you can also watch that video to use that flow. Okay, I will also provide the flow link in the description of this video, so you can also use that flow to monitor the system performance of your Orange Pi 4A board. Okay, now we will meet in the next video, and in which we will see how you can access or how you can control the GPIO of your Orange Pi 4A board. Okay, so let's meet in the future videos, and if you have any question or any doubt inside the installation of Node-RED in the Orange Pi 4A board, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, you can send me a mail. Also, you can comment on this video. Also, you can ping me on LinkedIn. So let's meet in the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.